it's got the gate of the DPC. The chicken has rested, and so have I. And it's time to take a look at what we've done. Shall we? Yes, it's quite a bit smaller, but try not to focus on that. No, you know the drill. We have to do more with less. I have to feed the same amount of people, even though the chicken is, well, how should we say it? Reduced in circumference. That's right. Well, it's time to get cooking. And as you know, every cook has all the perfect tools to achieve what she wants. Welcome to the stimulator. We're going to stimulate the chicken into behaving as if it were significantly more. Well, it's actually now spread out so it looks like more. It must be. I call this recipe the chicken surprise, and I'm going to tell you why. Surprise! We're going to shake the chicken up a bit, and we're going to make, that's right, a chicken shake. And don't forget the liquid. Don't worry, it's not going to compete with the marinade that we used earlier. That's about right. Who knows? It could be delicious. Remember, everything is the same, only different. And don't forget, thank you for shopping the DVC. Must be done.